We were working with a client in the food processing industry that had multiple different sites. And it was interesting because we asked them what the value proposition was for them to move forward with this project. And they said all of the silos of data are really not helping them to improve and share process information, mostly share inventory. They shared an example with us where they had a $9 bearing that blew out, and they couldn't find that $9 bearing in their own plant environment, so they started calling around to the other plant environments to find that $9 bearing. And as they called around, the other plants were busy, and they couldn't find that bearing either. In the meantime, the production line is shut down. The client actually had to put somebody on a plane to fly up to the distributor that had a bearing available, fly back down, and a day and a half later they got the production line up and running. Well, that was a pretty expensive shutdown for a $9 item. What was humorous or maybe a little bit sad on the back end was that the other plants then started calling 3 days later saying, hey, do you still need that bearing? With Oracle EAM in an integrated environment set up globally so that every operation has insight into each other's inventories, you wouldn't have had to call around. You would have known where that bearing was, where to get it, and how to get it quickly, and a day and a half worth of shutdown and a plane ticket to go get the part would not have been required.